Engineering Institute of Technology. I want to talk over the next 2 minutes on engineering equilibrium. We often think engineering equilibrium is a static, frozen state. It's all a happy state, nothing's moving. But in fact, it's actually a really dynamic state. And just to illustrate that, just think of a chemical reaction. You often get a chemical reaction occurring with two reactants get together, form a mixture, react, and you think that's equilibrium, but sometimes those reactants actually interact with each other again, and you have another reaction occurring later. So a reaction moving into equilibrium often is a bit misleading. The other example is structural elements in a building. The building's not moving, thankfully, and everything is static and in equilibrium. But if one beam breaks or something goes wrong or fails, you actually move from what appears to be a static state to a very dynamic state. So again, equilibrium is actually a very misleading state to talk about. And the final example, obviously, is a mudslide. We had a lot of those recently, where the hillside is actually in equilibrium, what appears to be in equilibrium, nothing's moving, and you think, oh, this is fantastic. But all of a sudden, there's a flood or something breaking the equilibrium, what we think is equilibrium, and then you get a massive mudslide after hundreds of years. So again, whenever you see something what appears to be in equilibrium, bear in mind that it's actually got a lot of little forces involved, and all hell is about to break loose if something fails or changes. So look carefully. Steve Mackay from Engineering Institute of Technology.